There are a couple things wrong in this video Excel spreadsheet that you're looking at. I wanted to just take a minute and go over some of the things to correct what we're looking at here. And one thing you can see is what we're going to start on is under the dates we have January 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and so on. But when we come to where it should be January 7th, we have a whole bunch of pound signs. Well, that's not good because we don't exactly know what that means to us. It doesn't mean anything by looking at it, frankly. And really, this is here because it just doesn't fit. The information is too short. As you can see, the cell column is not wide enough to actually fit the information, so it's giving you this kind of smudged look. In order to see it, all you have to do is resize it, and that's one of the things I want to talk about in this video is resizing your columns and rows. To do so, all you have to do is take your mouse and hover over between the two cells. You have a kind of a dividing line on the column between I and J, and all we have to do is click and drag over and it'll show the number. If we wanted to get to auto fit, all you have to do is double click it. Double click that right there. You can do it with this one here between J and K. Double click. Real fast, it will auto fit it as best as it can. We'll do it over here. To fix this one, we'll just double click. If you don't like that, you can actually make it smaller so that it can fit. If you select a lot of rows by clicking and dragging on the actual column header, you can do all of them. And it'll be uniform to what you select. Now, when we look at this spreadsheet here, it kind of looks like maybe we have some income or revenue for a product, chicken or beef. But what's 234? 230 what? 234, are we talking pounds? Are we talking dollars? Are we talking chickens? Is it a number? Well, you need to define that in Excel so that when you do make a calculation, you can know exactly what you're using. If you select the cells you want to format and you come up here inside the Home tab, you have an option for numbers. And if you drop this down, you have a whole bunch of different options. General number, currency, counting, short dates, you can do percentages. We're going to do currency, and it'll give it a dollar amount to the penny. So, you know, if you have several decimals, it'll convert it, round it up or down to the nearest number. All you have to do is the same thing, is select the information you want to add, and you want to go to currency. And you may want to select, go back and auto format the width, or format the width of this to fit everything. That looks great. Same thing over here. If you want to select these rows in the row heading 4 through 7, if you just hover over the divider between the two, you can kind of format the cells as well. There are a lot of different formatting options here. We won't get into them, but the last one I want to show you is just like you would in Word. You can format the text just to make it look a little bit better. You can change the size of it just by selecting it and just making it a little bit more presentable. Center it. There it is. That's better. I hope this helps you, and we'll learn more in other videos.